I would like to invite you to make yourself comfortable. When life feels overwhelming, nature is waiting to remind you that you are not meant to carry it all alone. So today's meditation, I'd like to invite you to reconnect with the earth beneath you and the peace within. So we'll start by finding a comfortable place to sit or lie down if you haven't already. And if you're indoors, you can still enjoy this meditation by closing your eyes and bringing the outdoors into your mind's eye. And once you've made yourself comfortable, take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out from your mouth. Let your shoulders relax, your jaw soften, and let the space around you hold you. Feel your body supported by the earth beneath you, whether it's grass, soil, sand, or the floor. Gently bring your awareness to your feet and imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet deep into the ground. These roots move effortlessly through soil and sand, finding nourishment, finding steadiness. Imagine on each breath in, you're breathing in energy, and with each exhalation, you're releasing tension. As you continue to breathe, imagine that with each breath in, you draw up the grounded, stabilizing energy of the earth. And let this grounding energy slowly rise up through your legs, into your hips and belly, bringing with it a calm, reassuring sense of safety. Feel your body becoming part of the earth itself. A tree with strong roots, gently swaying, but never falling. I'd like to now invite you to become aware of the natural world around you. Maybe you can hear a bird singing, or a breeze brushing across your skin. Maybe the warmth of sunlight kissing your face. Let nature wrap itself around you like a blanket. Let yourself remember you are not separate from this. You are nature. You belong here. If a thought arises, gently return to the sounds of the wind or the feeling of the earth beneath you, supporting you, or the rise and the fall of your breathing. You're welcome to place a hand on your heart center and whisper to yourself, I am grounded. I am safe. I am supported. Feel those words settle deep into your being and let them take root inside you. Before we end today's meditation, carry this quiet connection into the rest of your day. Let every tree, breeze, every sunrise, and every patch of earth remind you that you belong, that you are supported, connected, and never truly alone. The strength that you're seeking has been with you all along, waiting beneath the noise of your everyday life. Each time you pause, breathe, and reconnect with nature, you reconnect with yourself. I'd like to invite you to take a deep breath in, and this time as you exhale, smiling softly, grateful for this moment. Namaste.